Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use emoji on WhatsApp web. So you have several ways to add emoji to your chat, ranging from the classic picker to quick fire keyboard shortcuts. So let's go with method 1, the emoji picker with the mouse. So click on the smiley face icon located to the left of the text input field. So right here on the left side you will see emoji, gifs and stickers. And here you can then browse through the categories: people, nature, food, activity, transportation, objects, and so on. You can also have here a search bar, so you can type in specific emoji, and you will find it much quicker. So it's really useful. So if you know the name of the emoji, you can add it without leaving your keyboard. So if you type in colon, then followed by the name of the emoji. So let's go with la. And as you can see, it already suggests us what we want. So I type in laughing, and you see now these emojis here. Now if I type in heart, again we get these emojis. Let's go with play, fun, car, and so on. You just need this colon right here. The first thing is colon, and then you can type in whatever you like. A small menu will appear, as you can already see, and yeah, enter or tap to select the one. So tap, and yeah, we have waving emoji. Now this one is more universal, so you can also use your computer built-in emoji menus. So if you press Windows key plus dot, so period, so let's go with that. Now it's open up this universal, so computer built-in emoji menus. On the Mac, you will need to press Command, Control, and Space. On Windows, I will repeat Windows key plus dot or semicolon. So period or semicolon you will use on Windows to open up these emojis. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.